How to send HD photos on Facebook Messenger. The very first thing you do is open up your Messenger app, and once you open it up, the next step is to tap on the chat where you want to send the photo or the message to. And once you have done that, you can tap on the gallery icon by tapping the gallery option right here. Now you can just select an image that you want to send or that you want to send on HD. Now from here, you can just select the image that you want to send and simply tap on the edit option. And once you have done that, at the bottom left corner, you'll find the quality option. So just make sure that you turn on this HD quality, and you can also make it a view once photo or turn it off. And once you have done that, just tap on send. Now you've sent an HD quality photo right here. So on the top right of the photo, you'll see the HD option. That means the photo has been sent without degrading its quality. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you next time.